I am back yet again. This is the video for test number 3. I'm going to go over how to get to it, the directions, and what I need from it. And remember, this is a take-home test. I just don't want you cheating on this. If you do, you'll have to do it on Pearson, which will be harder because then I won't get to grade it and give you extra points. Pearson will just force the answers into it. So please do not cheat on this. So here I'm sharing my screen. I am going to, it'll be just like test 2. So I'm going to go to modules. I just did everything. I just did finished 8 today. So here's your test 3. It's worth 50 points. Here's test 3. So show your work and copy your results from StatCrunch. So whenever you're using StatCrunch or Excel, whatever you're using, copy it, drop it in. This will take time to do, I promise. So I need all the pieces, whatever pictures you're using, whatever StatCrunch you're using to make it work. So this is the way the test looks. All right. It's exactly how it is. Really take your time with these. Okay. Just really take your time. Notice that there's stuff for critical values. There's stuff with data here. We've got confidence intervals. I know it's probably going to be tough, but just take your time with each one of these. Will I help you? If you want to Zoom meet and talk about some of the stuff, feel free to reach out to me. But really just take your time. If you take your time, you're going to be great. What are the requirements for constructing a confidence interval for these two values? And you're just basically going to take your time. So for these, right, this is for what? This is if we're trying 8, for example, this is standard deviation. And this population standard deviation, that's population variance. So to get this, the sample must be simple random, and the sample size must be greater than 30. No, that's not it. That is not what you need. That's for when you just have means. The sample must be normally distributed, yes, and the sample size must be greater than 30. No, it's not B. It's not B. Sample size must be simple random sample, and it must be normally distributed. That's all you need. These are 2. That's it. So this one is C. Okay, that's the answer to number 8. It's C. Now, if you're going to use StatCrunch for one of these, right? Here's the chi-square distribution. We've got all the values here to help us out. That's nice. These are just from the homework, which is really nice. This is the exact same problem that I did from the homework, which is kind of cool. But if you want to do one of these, right? Here we go, a z-score test. So for number 12, the test statistic of z is 2.32 is obtained when testing the claim that P, so this is a 2, right? Two-tailed test. Identify the hypothesis testing as being 1, 2, or left-tailed. Why do we know the type of testing? Because it's not one way or the other. That's why it's two-tailed. We also have to find the p-value. What does the p-value have to be? And when using a significance of A of 10, should we reject the null or fail to reject the null? So when you're doing one like this, oh, if it's downloaded, I guess we can go to it. But to do this one, right? If you're afraid of this one, just remember you have to double them, right? You have to double it when it's like this. Why do you have to double it? Because we're going for left and right. So if this is your claim, right? And we want to get our p-value, but this is our test statistic 2.32. All you have to go is to StatCrunch. And this is why copying and pasting, it's really good. So if we go to StatCrunch, right? We go to stats. We need a calculator for normal distribution, okay? The normal distribution, the mean is 0, the standard deviation is 1. And we have what? We know we have 2.32. Now, we just want the other way. But we have to do what to this? Since we don't know which side it is, we have to do what? We have to double it. That's what's going to help us, okay? Because there isn't one for not equal to it. You get what I'm saying? So this is your p-value, rounded to 3 decimal places if needed. then you just say that we got this value of 0.376. Really think about what that means. Okay. Is that less than the value that we have? It should let us know. So to me, I would fail to reject the null if there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that this is it. There is not significant. So I'm 12 seems like B to me. Okay. Just try your best. Okay. Just really try your best on these. Take your time. I know this is going to be a tough one. Really just take your time and let me know if you have questions. Just really let me know if you have questions. 18 of them. I'll try to be as lenient as I can when I'm grading it. I just need to see your work. And if you're using this, what do you have to do? Copy and paste that, screenshot this, whatever you're doing to show me how you got the answers. Tell me how you got the answers. I'm not trying to give it all away, but yeah. All right, good luck. I know you guys can do this. This one looks the best. Number 18 looks like a great question. So again, if you want me to help you with any of this stuff, just Zoom meet me, reach out to me. I'll gladly help. Take care.